Good morning, dear viewer. What we're going to focus today on is SPX and its relation to BTC, what I see in the charts at the moment. And let's start with the SPX. So after this big, long, and painful dump we had until, what was it, October last year, um, we had a nice bounce up. And everybody is now screaming for more downside. Everybody says, "Oh, it's recession setting in. We're gonna go down. It's all doom and gloom." But maybe not so much. I mean, to me, the situation is unclear yet. There's still possibility we go higher. There's still the possibility that we go for a double top on equities, something like this, or maybe even for an all-time high. Yeah, and here's why I think this. So aside from fundamentals, where I think still, we're not, recession is not official yet. Recession is not official. Fed hasn't started cutting rates yet until I think, at least until they flatten the approach to rate hikes. So when they stop rate hikes, I think that would be the first signal to maybe get out. But on the charts, what I see and why I say the situation is unclear at the moment is we had so far 1, 2, 3. This could be a correction, A, B, C. But, yeah, we are in some kind of a range. I marked out this range for myself. Red lines are its boundaries. Green line is the mid part. And what we see here is we are still in this range. We tried to get out, didn't make it. That caused us to dump. Now we're trying this again. Yeah, so we tried it here, got rejected. But we found support here. We also found support on this trend line here, which is very good. So two possibilities I see. We either break this trend line, retest, go down. Second possibility, at least for me more highly likely, is we go for these liquidations here. We take out all these stop losses, all these liquidations up here, and what it would create is it will, and hopefully we even take out this high here. And what will it happen? What will happen is we will have a 5-wave move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I see this, so condition is we have to break this level, or actually this level. So we have to create another high on the daily. If we do this, then I flip completely bullish. I know there will be a correction, so if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will have an ABC down. But this, dear viewer, will be the correction or the dip to buy into. So at least one condition has to be fulfilled. At least we have to break this high here. If we break this one, perfect, even more confirmation. That would be brilliant, brilliant. Then we have broken the, we would have broken the lower highs, lower highs structure on the weekly chart. That's even better. Yeah. So that's the SPX. So I'm watching it closely. No, it's all doom and gloom, but for me, it's undecided. I don't know. Could go either way, but I'm hoping we will go higher. At least get a bounce here. Same for BTC, actually. As you see, I'm in a long position. Let's see how far it can get me. There's a nice formation on the daily. Nice bullish formation on the daily. We can get a deeper correction. We can go, I don't know, maybe we can go to 23,200. Maybe we can even go to $23,000 for a test of this formation. but overall to me it looks bullish at the moment. What I don't want to see is the break of this trend line here. Yeah, so if we start bouncing and there's no strength to this movement, and at some point we break it, retest down. That's my opinion at the moment. What else do I see here? Let's go down to the 4-hour. So still undecided for BTC as well, but to me, all these liquidations here look juicy. I don't understand why would not the bigger players want to go for these liquidations here. If you're an exchange, you get money for liquidations. The accounts that actually were liquidated have to pay you a fine. So I think, I mean, to me, this is like an obvious telltale sign. You see all these wicks here. There's a lot of shorts piling up here and a lot of stop losses stacked up here. So for me, if we ever reach this area again, this will trigger a massive squeeze to the upside. So, I mean, to me, at least we should go to somewhere around, let's create a box somewhere around here. And even better, you know, for me, what I would wish to see is we have this range. Where was it? Is we have this range here, which is somewhere between here and here. This is also an area to look out for, the bottom of this range. The bottom of this range could be also an area that we could still float up to. Yeah? So somewhere here, short positions, 1, 2, 3 to the downside, and then back up. Still, you know, we need to see that lower, that higher low, sorry, created on the daily chart. So if I go back to the daily, I want to see this as a lower low, this as a higher low. If we see a triangle here in this B wave, then I'm pretty confident that this is the penultimate wave. We get one more down, and then we again shoot up. A level I will be looking out for specifically is this one here to be retested. Here, 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 very close. Here's a lot of tests of this level. Yeah. So I would say somewhere that would be a zone for me. It's not a specific level, but this zone here to be retested. And then shoot straight up. If this happens, then the minimum move I would be looking out for, let's take this and this, would be to, let's say, this top here. To take out this top here. And then if this is just a correction, maybe a move down for a new low. If it's not, yeah, then we're talking about a different scenario. Then maybe this is not an ABC correction, so that's not an ABC. 1, 2, 3. Maybe this is an impulse up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? Could be an impulse up. Could be higher. I don't know. But we'll check as we go. First of all, you know, one baby step at a time. We need to see a break of this area here of 25,200, a run up. I don't know how far. Maybe stop at 26,200. Maybe go a little bit higher, and then a 3-wave move down, and then up again. So we need to see that higher low created. So that's my take on the equities and BTC. I hope you liked it. Thanks so much. Have a very good day. Bye bye.